Hello everyone, I'm back with another video on environmental science with a very interesting topic. Before we go in detail into the topic, you have to give me an answer to the question. So keep expecting one question from me. Let us see what is the question for you all. As we all look around, what we see around us, what all things come in your mind when you look around? Plants, trees, birds, animals, and many other things. Okay, as everyone is aware that plants are very important to us. They provide food and oxygen to all living beings living on the earth. So today we are going to learn about the plant's parts and their functions. Okay, so what is the topic for today? The plant's parts and their functions. So let us begin. Plants have two systems, root system, shoot system. So root system has roots, and in shoot system it is having stems, fruits, leaves and flowers. Okay, so let's move ahead. Plants have 6 parts. The first 3 help plants to get water, make food and to grow. So they are roots, stems and leaves. So the first 3 part of a plant help get water, make food and grow. They are roots, stems and leaves. Let us see the remaining 3 part of a plant. The remaining 3 help plants to grow new plants. They are flowers, fruits and seeds. So these are the remaining 3 parts of a plant which help the plant to grow into a new plants. They are flowers, fruits and seeds. So let us learn the plant's parts one by one. First, the parts that help the plant get water, make food and grow. And they are roots. What are they? They are roots. Roots hold the plant in the soil. Roots bring water and nutrients from the soil to the plant, and roots are usually underground. We can see the roots underground. They are usually underground, but we can see above the ground too. Have you seen this type of a tree which has huge roots above the ground? It is very interesting, right? So let us learn about root system. Root system has 2 types of root, taproot and fibrous roots. So in taproot, it is the main root of the plant. They grow deep into the soil. It is thick and grows downwards. Its main root has many branches that spreads out. Examples are neem and peepal. So in the trees, huge trees are having taproot, and it is a main root of the plant. It grows deep into the soil and it is very thick and grows downwards, and it has many roots and has having many branches as well, and it spreads out as you can see in the picture over there, and it is an example of a neem tree's root. Now let us focus on fibrous root. Fibrous root do not have branches. It has equal sized roots that spreads from the base of the stem in all directions, and they are not very deep. Examples are rice and wheat. As you can see in the image, they are equally sized roots and they spreads equally and from the base of the stem in all directions and they are not at all very deep. Examples are rice and wheat. Now we'll see few more special roots. One type of a special root is tuberous roots. Some plants have special roots like turnip, carrot and radish. Okay, so what is the speciality of these type of roots? They are very enlarged roots and they store large quantities of food in their roots. So these are called tuberous roots and we should include these type of food in our daily life, daily routine. Okay, next one more special roots are aerial roots. Trees like banyan tree have roots that grow downwards from the branches towards the ground. Why? Because the roots hang in the air and are not covered by the soil. That is why they are called aerial roots. Okay, so children, the roots holds the plant to the soil. This is the main important function of a root. The roots hold the plant to the soil. So let's move to the second part. What we are going to see and explore is stems. Stems hold the plant up above the ground. Stems carry water and food through the plant. So the two main important functions of the stems, they hold the plant up above the ground and they carry water and food through the plant. Stems are the delivery system of the plant. Remember, roots get water and nutrients from the soil, whereas stems carry water and nutrients throughout the plant. So roots and stems, they are very, very important for a plant. Okay, so a few more functions of the stem and what are the different type of stems what we eat. Some stems store food in them, such as sugarcane, potato and ginger. Potato and ginger are underground stems and we eat these types of stems. So these are the examples of stems: sugarcane, potato and ginger. Remember, the stem holds the plant above the ground. So the main function you should always remember, children, the stem holds the plant above the ground. So let us go to the next part and we'll see the next part of a plant, and they are leaves. Leaves are on the end of the stems of the plant. Okay, so leaves are on the end of the stems of the plants. Let us see what are the features and the functions of the leaves. Leaves are thin, flat, broad and green part of the plant which is attached to the branch. Leaves are of different shapes and sizes. In different patterns also we can see leaves. Different trees, different leaf. Every tree, every plant is unique. Okay. The flat, broad part of the leaf is called lamina or leaf blade. In the middle of the leaf blade is a main vein and several side veins are connected to it. The veins distribute water and food to the leaf. Like how our human body is having veins, same way leaves also have veins in them which carry and which distribute water and food to the leaf in equal direction. A leaf has many tiny pores on the underside where exchange of gases takes place through stomata. Now what are stomata? Stomata are a very tiny pores which help where exchange of gases takes place through stomata. That is the main function of the stomata. Without stomata, leaves will not get proper exchange of gases. Okay. Leaves are where plants make most of their food. So leaves are where plants make most of their food. Leaves take in air. Okay. To make food, they use air, water, and sunlight, as they are called the kitchen of the plant. So the leaves are called the kitchen of the plant. And there is a process called the making of food. What is that process called? That process is called photosynthesis. Let us learn and understand in detail the entire process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. Putting all things together, we get the end result is leaf. Okay, so photosynthesis, photo means light and synthesis means putting together. So let us understand in detail what are photosynthesis. The process by which leaves prepare food is called photosynthesis. The leaves prepare food with the help of sunlight, water, minerals. Okay, there are a lot of minerals in the soil: nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and many other things. Then carbon dioxide and chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, what do you mean by chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is a green pigment which gives green color to the leaves. They are called chlorophyll. So with the help of sunlight, water, minerals, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll, the leaves prepare their food, and the preparation of food by the leaves are called photosynthesis. That is why they are called the kitchen of the plant. Okay, so they have the process of photosynthesis. So, how many of you like green leafy vegetables or a vegetable which is leaves, what we eat? Okay, as you know, children, we eat leaves too. Just think some vegetables which are leafy, right? Some leaves like mint, that is pudina, and cabbage. We eat these leaves. They store extra food in them, so we include in our daily life. Remember, the leaves are on the end of the stems. So let us learn the next part. They help plant make new plants. What are they? They are flowers. Flowers, like leaves, grows on the end of the stems. Flowers are often the most beautiful part of the plant. The rich colors of the flowers help attract pollinators. So, children, remember, flowers are colorful growth on the stems. Now, how many of you love fruits? I asked you this question because next part what we are going to learn is fruits. Fruits hang on the end of the stems. What's the fruit's job? Well, the fruit's job is to hold the seeds. Fruits is either picked and eaten or falls off the plant and it rots. So these are the functions of the fruits. They hang on the end of the stems, they hold the seeds, and they are eaten or they falls off when the plant or the fruit is rotten. Okay, so these are the functions of the fruits. Remember, fruits is the tasty thing on the stems. Okay, now let us learn about seeds. Where can we find seeds? Seeds hide inside of the fruit. Seeds grow into new plants. So without seeds you cannot find new plants. So seeds hide inside of the fruit and they grow into new plants. Now how does that work? When animals eat fruit, they eat seeds also. Later, the seeds leave the animal through its waste wherever the animal is. So, this process is called dispersal. Or, fruits falls from the tree and rots. The seeds falls out and make a new plant. So, this is how seeds grows into new plant. First the animals eats it, or it is fallen from the tree and rots. Then that seeds falls out and it make into a new plant. Now let's see life cycle of a plant. Here I have taken brinjal plant's life cycle. Okay, you can see in a pot there is a seed, then that seed it sprouts out. That sprout will get small leaf, stem and roots. Then that leaf, stem and root will grow into and it will give out flowers. That flower will give out as fruit and that fruit is the brinjal plant. Next we have the life cycle of an apple tree. As you can see in the picture, same way how we understood about brinjal, we have apple tree here also. When we eat apple, we get seeds inside. That seeds we throw it out, then that seeds will sprout, then that sprout will grow into tree, then tree will give out flower, and then flower will give out fruit. Then the life cycle continues. Remember, seeds live inside of the fruit. Always remember, we can find seeds inside the fruit. Now let us have a quick recap in a form of a questionnaire. I'll be asking you some questions. You have to think the answer. Okay, so let's go. The parts of a plant are, the answer is roots, stems, leaves and flowers. Second question, what do plants need to grow? A. C blank from the blank. B. W blank. C. L blank from the blank. Answer, carbon dioxide from the sun, water and light from the sun. This is the things which plants need to grow. Now let us move on to the third question. Roots of a plant take in sunlight, take in water from the soil, hold the plant in the soil so it does not blow away. Now you have to choose the correct answer from these three options. Think the answer in your mind. The answer is take in water from the soil and hold the plant in the soil so it does not blow away. That is a main function of the root. Let's move on to the fourth question. The stem of a plant takes in sunlight, takes in water from soil, carries the water from the roots to the leaves, holds the seeds. Answer is it carries the water from the soil to the leaves. That is a main function of the stem. Question number 5. A plants need leaves to take in sunlight, take in carbon dioxide from the air, make food, all of the above. A plant needs leaves to take in everything, that is, take in sunlight, take in carbon dioxide from the air, make food, right? All the things is needed for making food, or a plant needs leaves to prepare, right? Question number 6. The flowers of a plant takes in sunlight, make seeds for the plant, carry the water from the roots to the leaves, take in water from the soil. Answer: make seeds for the plant. So the main function of the flowers is to make seeds for the plant. We'll move to the next question. Seeds are important to the plant because they take in sunlight, they take in water from the soil, make new plants, make food for the plant. The answer is make new plants. Seeds make new plants. Question number 8. The flat, broad part of the leaf is called lamina or leaf blade. Question number 9. Pigment present in the leaves which gives color to the leaves. The answer is chlorophyll. Question number 10. Blank bring water and nutrients from the soil to the plant. The answer is roots. Next question. The process by which leaves prepare food is called photosynthesis. It is called photosynthesis. Now, question number 12. Kitchen of the plant. What is known as kitchen of the plant? Leaves are called kitchen of the plant. Okay, children. So I hope all of you have understood the different parts of the plant and its functions very well. Until we meet with another video with different topic. So for now, thank you and be safe.